Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the DesignJet T850 large format 36-inch color plotter printer. This device is a game changer for professionals in the AEC, GIS, and CAD fields who require precise and accurate line quality and crisp text for their prints. Whether you're working with maps, technical drawings, posters, or renders, this printer is designed to deliver high-quality outputs that meet your needs. One of the key features that sets the DesignJet T850 apart is its media handling capabilities. With the ability to handle media sizes up to 36 inches wide and a maximum media roll diameter of 100 millimeters, you have the flexibility to print a wide range of documents. The integrated input tray also allows you to easily print half-size print jobs without having to manually switch from rolls to sheets. This feature is a huge time saver, especially when you're working on projects that require printing multiple documents in different sizes. The automatic horizontal cutter and media bin also make it easy to manage your prints and reduce waste. Another feature that's worth highlighting is the printer's connectivity options. With Gigabit Ethernet and Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, you can easily connect the printer to your network and print from a variety of devices. The printer also supports Wi-Fi Direct, remote printing, Apple AirPrint, and the Laser Pro app for Android and iOS devices, making it easy to print from your smartphone or tablet. The included macOS printer drivers and printing support for Chrome OS also ensure that you can print from your computer or laptop without any issues. This level of connectivity is a major advantage, especially in today's fast-paced work environment where collaboration and mobility are key. The DesignJet T850 also comes with a range of features that are designed to save you time and reduce waste. The 1 GB memory and Laser Pro click feature allow you to print in fewer steps and avoid reprinting with Print Preview. The automatic scheduling of printer on/off usage and efficient ink maintenance routines also help to reduce energy and ink waste. The pigment-based FlexTech inks used in the printer ensure that you get high-quality CAD and renders across print sizes, which is essential for professionals who require precise and accurate prints. With these features, you can focus on your work without worrying about the technical aspects of printing. In addition to its technical capabilities, the DesignJet T850 is also designed to be user-friendly. The printer comes with a range of software and tools that make it easy to manage your prints and customize your settings. The Laser Pro app, for example, allows you to print from your mobile device and monitor your printer's status remotely. The printer also comes with a range of tutorials and guides that help you get started and troubleshoot any issues that you may encounter. This level of support is a major advantage, especially for professionals who are new to large format printing. In conclusion, the DesignJet T850 large format 36-inch color plotter printer is an exceptional device that offers a range of features and benefits that make it an ideal choice for professionals in the AEC, GIS, and CAD fields. With its precise and accurate line quality, crisp text, and flexible media handling capabilities, this printer is designed to deliver high-quality outputs that meet your needs. The printer's connectivity options, time-saving features, and user-friendly interface also make it a pleasure to use. If you're in the market for a large-format printer that can handle your printing needs, I highly recommend checking out the DesignJet T850. Find the link in the description below to learn more about this amazing device and how it can help you take your work to the next level. Don't forget to like,